Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply log into Snapchat without finding matching credentials. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we could not find matching credentials on Snapchat. First of all, what you're going to do is get into your Snapchat and make sure you log into it. And before logging on, you need to write your username and in the password. So you need to write your password. Once you're done with the password, you need to log it in. So it says that oops, we could not find your matching credentials. So what we'll do is forgot your password, and once we tap on it, we have two other options like via phone, via mail. That means if it will either verify our password through the phone, that means mobile number, and via the email I'll go with the phone number. Now I can simply write my mobile number out here, and once I do so, I'll tap on continue. And once I tap continue, now an OTP code is being sent on my mobile phone number, and if I check it, I got it. So now I'll simply log in once again. Once I log in, so simply you see that it has been logged in. Once I'll tap on that OTP code, automatically my Snapchat would be logged in. So this is how you do it. This is how you log in into your Snapchat with not finding or matching credentials. And if you guys have any question or query regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. So till next time, peace, take care.